everybody, Dalton's Garage. Today we're out here at a new location. We are looking for a creek supposedly out here somewhere, and we're going to do a little test panning because I've been told that there's gold in it. Now I'm not sure if I go this way or this way. I'm thinking that way. But I'm going to have to pull my GPS up and we'll get right next to the creek, and then we'll get back with you once we can see it. Alrighty, we found the creek. Took us a little bit of walking back and forth, but we found it. Now I just got to figure out how to weasel through these trees and get over there. I guess I'm in the right place. I don't know. I didn't see no signs that said don't come through here. Oh well. Here we go. Watch out for spiders. Oh yeah. I see a creek and it looks deep. Like a deep cutout creek. Oh yeah. We're in the right place. What if I flip this camera around? No? Okay. Oh, there's some big rocks down there, folks. Big rocks. I like big rocks. We have made it to the creek. Crazy looking down there. Water's probably a little higher than normal, which kind of stinks. It's like some little bit of turbulence in the water down here. Might be a place to walk across. Didn't wear my boots. Oh well, that's alright. This is mighty crazy. Got the water running down this way. Probably need to work my way to that gravel bar over there. Might be a good place to check out. Might be able to work my way down here. As long as this tree don't decide to fall on me. Should be alright. Alright, yeah, I should have brought my boots. But that's okay. Well, we're gonna, I don't know. I guess we're just gonna walk up through there and do a little test panning. We'll get back with you, see if we can find anything. Pretty crazy out here. Live about, what, 10 minutes away from here and didn't even know it existed. Alright, let's get some gold. Well, that spot wasn't working out too great. But you know what? I went down just a little bit farther. And look how much nicer this is. This is, well, really open out here. This is awesome. Right on the inside of a bend, too. This is probably going to be the best spot to start testing, I think. Oh, I don't like all that, but yeah, it is a creek. Looks clay in there. What kind of rocks we got out here? Yeah. Partially holy rocks. You know what? I like the sign of that. I've been to a few places that had holy rocks, and you know what? They had some gold too. So, yeah. This ain't bad at all. This is cool. I think we'll start on the inside bend here. See what we can come up with. This is sweet. This is awesome. This is this is what it is. Got a little shade over here. I'm trying to look around for a minute. Sweet. Right there. That's what I'm gonna dig behind. Got a big old rock sticking out right there. I don't know if that's a piece of stone or bedrock or something, but I'm getting the dirt out behind that for sure. We'll get back with you with the results on that. Sweet. Well, I did about 10 test pans here, maybe a little less, but I was kind of up on the bank and up right before the bend there, and I'm not coming up with nothing. So I think I'm gonna pack up and head downstream just a little ways. I can see there's another bend going off to the left up there, so that might be promising. You can almost actually see where the rivers run there before, and kind of up there too, up at that hill. I'm not going to dig up in that grassy area though, because people walk through there and I guess go fishing down here. So I'm going to pack my stuff up and we'll meet you down there, see what we can find. Well, it wasn't looking so hot down there. It was real smooth and not many rocks. It was kind of like that out there. However, I kind of took a minute, studied the creek a little more, and I took a spot down there, kind of like right there, and I don't know if you can see this or not. There's a tiny little piece in there, and I don't even know if you can see it on camera. It's right in there. I don't know if you can see that or not. I probably just know it's still there. Well, we're on to something. That is always good. So I'm gonna go back and take some more scoops out of that place where I got this from. Also increased my black sand increased. So all right, see if you can see that or not. Oh, come on, focus. Nope, I don't think it's gonna focus. Well, you're gonna take my word for it. It's there. I'll get back with you. Well, I think I'm on to the right spot. You can see two little pieces in there. And got one last time. So we're up to 3 little specks of poop gold. But we must be digging in the right area. So let's keep on digging until we can find this little nugget. I believe they're out here. I can feel the power. Well, we got another 2 little pieces right there. It's seems like it's a steady 2 pieces per pan, if not maybe 3. I'm thinking, just thinking, probably need to get the sluice box out here and set it up about right here, because it seems like enough flow to move a little bit of dirt. Put it right there and, well, dig right up underneath me, because this is where it's coming from, where all these leaves are getting tangled up. Right there out of that hole. I wanted to see if I could go down any farther, if I could get any more. Sure did, got 2 more pieces. So, and actually one of them looked like it got just a little bit bigger, and that's always good. What do we got here? We got here some rocks. Be nice if there was a big boulder or something sticking out of the ground. Oh, there we go. Check that out. Look at that. I might have to do a little test behind that right there. You can kind of see the little low pressure zone right behind there. And right in there. Well, you ask for it and you shall receive. I'm gonna definitely take me a little pan out of there. We'll see what we get. It seemed like it's kind of back in here, kind of where all the leaves are getting stuck up and stuff. So I'll put this in my pouch and head down there and get a couple samples. But we're for sure going to bring the sluice out. Just a little mini one. Not going to bring no gas powered stuff out here. And I guess this is kind of a park. So we're in a park. I exposed my location. Alrighty, let's go get some more samples. Well, we met a little friend down here. Hello. Hello, buddy. How you doing? You want me to put you back down? It's a little windy out. Yeah, I'll put you back down. Go on. Go on. No, you gotta get out of my gold pan. You might get squashed by a rock. Can't have you in there. Yeah, here's sunbathing, ain't you? Go on. Skip. There you go. There you go. Go on. Go get you some bugs. Found two little pieces up behind that little bit of rock there, but they're a lot smaller than what I have been finding down here, so might have to stick with that location. Or maybe if I go in a few feet towards the bank, I might get lucky with something. So we'll have to do some more testing around. I did find a nice little tiny piece of quartz, so that was nice. But yeah, thanks for coming along with me out here. Coming out here prospecting a little bit, looking for some color. Had a good time. We'll see you next time, maybe out here with a sluice box. Y'all take care. Happy prospecting.